Hi, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you the face unlock test on Galaxy S23 device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, the face unlock feature works here fast, correct. I just unlocked the device less than in 1 second. This is the really good result for the face unlock feature. I just suggest you to try this face unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.